So in this video, we'll talk about something about testing, searching, and manipulating strings. So Python provided different kind of functions for testing property of the strings, or help you to search for the certain part of the string, or manipulate the strings. So there are some common functions include like start with, end with, find, replace. So in this video, we will try to use a couple different function and method to give you guys some sense of the method how we can test the search manipulate the strings. So the first example, we're trying to test. Okay, so basically the test, that means we're trying to make sure this string can return the certain type of the you know the data type we need. Okay, so in this example, we will talk about the one method called is alpha or is digit. So you can tell based on this method name is alpha. Basically, we're trying to determine whether it is the alphabet. Okay, if it's yes, it's written true. Otherwise, it's written false. Is digit is the same idea. Whether this one can return digits or not. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so first the the word is string and the Python is right here. So this is string without any digit, uh, only alphabet. So when we call the method, we're using the strings name world, uh, what dot if alpha. Okay, so the C, so it's supposed to return true. Okay, so it's written true. Since they don't include the digit, so it's written false. Okay, if we try different, we can try all in digits only. Then we run this. It should give you an upside the result. Okay, so right now, once we know, so this is for the testing. So we also can search. So search means we're trying to locate substring using the certain type of the way. So there are two ways we can use. First, the way we're using the keyword in. So that means we're using string, trying to test whether the string is included in the sentence, right? So that means this sentence, basically we give a variable sentence, we assign the string learn Python programming to the sentence. Now we're trying to test whether this sentence has the entire word of Python. So if they do have, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Okay, so this is one of the way we can find or locate the substring in the entire whole strings. Also, we can use in the way like a method. So sentence dot find Python. So find is a method of the string, and the Python is the object which we're trying to locate. If they do have the Python, this will give you the index start with a Python. So if you see here, this is the sentence. So we try to find the Python. So we will find the index. The first one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first of all, you need to find out whether they include Python. Second, this Python, excuse me. So the P start adds 6. So this one will return 6. So let's try this out. So it should return true and return 6. Right? So manipulating. So manipulating, basically we're trying to manipulate this string. So something like we can shrink the string, we can replace the string. So in this example, we're trying to shrink the string. So one of the methods is called strip. Strip basically you're trying to remove all the leading white space or other trailing. Okay, so for example, in this example, you can see greeting is hello world. So in the hello world, we have several um, white space right here. So if we just print out the print, so let's see. So for example, if I just want to print out this one, grading without do anything. So let's see what will return. So you can see right here, there's the different white space, but if we're using the strip, we try to call the strip using the string. So let's see what the result would be. Okay, they will take away the leading white space. Okay, so on the other hand, we have another method is called replace. So replace is something you do basically two steps. First step, you need to find this world, okay, in the string. So greeting hello world, then you find this one. If you do find that one, you replace that one with new one for the from second object, which is Python. So when we say here, hello world, they do have world. Okay, that means we can replace with Python. So then we print out them. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so replaced and hello Python. Okay, so even right here, we can try to call another one since this one is return Python, hello Python, but they do have leading white space. We're trying to call, so basic this method we can call the strip. Let's see whether we can find out, whether we can remove all the leading white space. Great. We take away all the leading white space based on one method called another method. All right. So in this chapter we basically talk about um, how do we trying to handle the string, and there's different kind of operations you can use, and how you can access the different parts of the string. Also also we can test, search, manipulate our string.